All right, folks, Thursday morning, here we go. We're back at it. What a day yesterday, wild ride. On a number of fronts, markets were just absolutely crazy. Dow Jones, S&P, all the market indices were up big in the morning session. We get notification shortly after the lunch hour that the Omicron Delta variant has made its way into the US. The markets turned on a dime, finished lower to the tune of about 1%. So some big whipsaw action, which creates great trading opportunities to be able to trade some of that price action and that volatility. I don't know what to tell you folks, but it's probably going to stick around until we get a little more certainty about this variant in particular. You throw inflation and the Fed's hawkish tone about maybe a potential quicker rise in rates, quicker into the taper program. That, in combination with some of the supply chain issues that we're seeing, is just a recipe for uncertainty and volatility. So we could see this for the next few weeks. Again, this creates great opportunities. So look at the market today. Equities trading a bit higher, except for the Nadex, which is trading lower in the pre-market. Oil, another big mover, down another 2% this morning, trading below $64 a barrel in WTI. And in the currencies, we're seeing dollar weakness this morning. So another big week. We've got the November jobs report due out tomorrow. Big risk event, big day. Let's get ready, trade some price action. Take a look at our video yesterday, crypto.com, acquisition of Nadex, here we come. All right, let's roll.